Hello everyone, welcome to Guzhen channel. I am Kathy. Let's continue today's factory tour. Right now we are at Yingxiang Lighting. Yingxiang Lighting, established in 2016, has been focusing on the R&D of the green and energy-saving LED light sources. When we talk about LED lighting sources, how can we miss bulbs? Right behind me are a lot of bulbs that we are going to take a good look at. Okay, now let's going to take a closer look about them. The first bulb is the one that we usually apply for the hanging light, something like crystal lamp and lamps like that. We can see it is very tiny actually. Ooh. Sorry, we are going to take the second one. Let's have a look. It is so tiny and it's easy to install, I believe. And I think the wall can be changed too, as long as you need other types, they can be customized for you. And the second one is bigger than the first one. We can see this is much bigger. It is easy to clean and easy to install. And of course, actually it's light, so it's easy to carry. And we're going to see the biggest one. Actually, it's a kind of movable light. If we are going to throw a party and looking for some light sources, the movable light can just be the perfect option. Okay, so what's more? Okay, now let's take a closer look. And I noticed there's something in here, the panel. It is for substitution for the ceiling lamp. It is simple and easy to install, and the material is PS. It scatters the light equally, and it can work for 8,000 hours. The guarantee can be 2 years. Okay, and this is a bigger one, and this is the smaller ones, which means it can be customized to, it has 4 sizes for 4 different walls. Okay, now let's take a general look. If you want to know more about Yingxiang or other products, leave a message below and let us know. If you want to keep watching factory tour, please follow up hosted by your program Go Online, which may be run from March 18 to April 18. See you there!